Hey everyone! Today, I'm super excited to show you how to upgrade your Next.js project to use the brand new Tailwind CSS v4. This latest version comes packed with a host of new features and improvements that will make your development process smoother and more efficient. Tailwind just released some amazing features and tools, and I'm here to walk you through them step by step. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just getting started, this guide will help you make the most of Tailwind CSS v4. First things first, let's get our Next.js project ready for the upgrade. This involves a few simple steps to ensure everything runs smoothly. Open up your terminal and navigate to your Next.js project directory. This is where all the magic happens. Run the following command to install Tailwind CSS v4. This will also update post-CSS and auto-prefixer to their latest versions. npm install Tailwind says at latest post-CSS at latest auto-prefixer at latest. Next, you'll need to update your Tailwind configuration file to make sure it points to the new version. This step is crucial for taking advantage of all the new features. Here's what your updated configuration might look like. Make sure to replace the old content with the new settings. JS-module.exports = content, theme, mark, plugins. Now let's dive into some of the cool new features in Tailwind CSS v4. These updates are designed to make your life as a developer much easier. One of the most exciting additions is the new aspect ratio utility. This feature allows you to easily control the aspect ratio of any element, making it perfect for responsive design. This allows you to easily control the aspect ratio of any element. Check this out. You can now maintain consistent aspect ratios across different screen sizes with minimal effort. HTML. Another awesome feature is the line clamp utility. This can be a lifesaver when you need to truncate text after a certain number of lines, ensuring your layout remains clean and readable. This can be a lifesaver when you need to truncate text after a certain number of lines. Here's an example. This utility is especially useful for blog posts, product descriptions, and any other content-heavy sections. HTML lorem ipsum dolorsit amet consecteter adipissing elit, integer nec odio, present libero, sed cursus ante dapibus diam. Tailwind CSS v4 also brings improved support for CSS grid. This update makes it easier than ever to create complex responsive grid layouts. With the new grid template and grid column utilities, you can create complex grid layouts with ease. For example, these utilities provide more flexibility and control over your grid designs. And don't forget about the new scroll snap utilities. These make implementing scroll snapping super simple, enhancing the user experience on your site. These make implementing scroll snapping super simple. Take a look. With just a few lines of code, you can create smooth, intuitive scrolling experiences. HTML. To sum it all up, Tailwind CSS v4 is packed with powerful new tools and features that make styling your Next.js projects even easier and more efficient. These updates are designed to save you time and effort, allowing you to focus on building great applications. By following these steps, you can upgrade your project and start taking advantage of these new utilities right away. Don't hesitate to explore and experiment with these features to see how they can enhance your workflow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more web development tips and tutorials. Your support helps us create more content like this. Thanks for watching and happy coding. Stay tuned for more updates and happy coding.